Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this MEROUS single serve coffee maker for K-Cup. According to the listing it says pot and ground coffee brewer, thermal drip instant coffee machine with compact design, 6 to 14 ounce brew size. Yeah, it's listed for around $60 on Amazon. Yeah, the number says CM 2020B with 1 year warranty. I don't know if you have more description here a little bit. Yeah, instructions about the buttons and everything. So I'll take it out of the box and so see what we get. Yeah, we definitely will get these cups or cup holders here. Yeah, so this is what we get. I took this a little bit away because the packaging was a little bit too large. Yeah, I'm starting here with the manual, so as always I'm going to show you the full manual. It's a short one here, so to give you the opportunity to make a better buy decision, or if you have bought used, or if you just lost the instructions. So just make sure you go to the highest resolution like 1080p. Usually put it on pause so you have enough time to read every page. So that's not much. If you don't need that, just fast forward for 1 minute or so. And yeah, that's not much. We are almost done here. Maintenance instructions and maybe some warranty or contact information. Yeah, that's already it here. So let's check what we get. So let's take this thing out here. Yeah, by the way, the cup was somehow here, it right fell out when I opened the box. Not very good, but I mean, it's plastic, shouldn't do too much. Yeah, so here we are. It's a little bit difficult to see when we are so close to the camera, but this is how it looks from the side. So this is secured here, of course. Yeah, so here we are. We have to push in to open that, and here we have the K-Cup holder. Looks like a pretty simple thing, so we can definitely easily take it out and clean it also inside here if we having a mess. I mean, I'm using these cups here and they tend to have like too much pressure and then they explode, and here it looks like pretty easy to clean, at least easier than with the normal Keurig coffee maker. Yeah, that's now falling apart, everything. Yeah, here you can see, if you're interested into that, 2 buttons. Yeah, this button to use the capsule, this button to use the ground coffee, both buttons to do the cleaning. Yeah, here you can see, here you are cutting the cup, pretty easy system, so seems to work. And here in the back we have the water system, so that's just a manual system, it's not an automatic system. You have to fill, I mean, put this in, then fill accordingly, and then it will stop when it's empty, so you don't have like a large water tank where which you can fill up and then like have different sizes, like 6 ounce, 8 ounce and so on, which you can press. So this is more like the manual system. It's a little bit cheaper. Like always, what you pay is what you get. I mean, I like the more automated system where you just fill the reservoir in the morning and then you can drink the coffee the whole day. Here you have to put this in and then fill it up. Yeah, it's probably even too high to show you that, so it's even difficult. We definitely have to close this, and even here from the side you can see it's pretty difficult. Yeah, I can't do that here, I'm causing a mess. So if you are in an office space or so, yeah, it's not really easy. You have to have something with which is more narrow and have like a longer tip or something like that, and longer nozzle to fill this up. or if you can put this directly under the tab, it works. But with this one, it's already really challenging. That's pretty disappointing here. So yeah, definitely not same thing. And you have to think about the height. I mean, yeah, it's already very high. It has about the height of a standard Keurig coffee maker, and you have to fill it from the top. I mean, sometimes these Keurig coffee makers, the original ones, you can detach the water tank just to the back. You don't have to lift it up, you can take it to the back. So you can have this underneath, like when you have like cabinets on top of that, that still works. Here it won't work because you have to fill it from the top. You can't fill it here, you have to lift it up really high and then fill it up. So you need more space than a normal coffee maker. You have to know that. I mean, I'm not saying it's not working, but you have to know that. So I'm trying here with a different one. Yeah, that definitely works much better. So the suggestion in the instructions is to fill this thing up. Yeah, there's a lot of water. I have no clue where this thing is. Yeah, I'll fill it up here. It looks like there's no leak. It's a lot of water. I have no clue where this is. This is half a liter. I think, yeah, around 14 ounce, yeah, or almost half a liter. So I'm going to close that and turn the thing on. Yeah, I've read the instructions, and the instructions says to clean, we have to use this basket here and use the ground coffee function. So let's put this inside, push this down, put this on top. We have the water inside. Now let's push here. Yeah, it's blue blinking. Hope you can see that. I guess it takes some time here, and so we'll wait till everything has been going through the machine and cleaned it properly. Yeah, looks like it's finished. Took a little bit more than 5 minutes. It's definitely hot. Water is clear. I think, yeah, this is empty. Something maybe from the box here, but apart from that, I think it was clean already. And yeah, let's open here as well. Yeah, there was some water, a little bit here. You can see, not much. You have to be careful a little bit when you do that in the office. There's a little bit of water left. Make sure that you don't destroy valuable documents or so, but apart from that, looking good. So I'm going to dispose this water, grab a normal cup, and I'm going to use this Walmart cup then to produce my first coffee. So I think for the first time I'm going with the smallest cup. You can see the smallest is just at the very bottom, so you won't see any water here in this measurement thing here. So what I'm going to do here, we need this one here and we need this, and so put this inside. Yeah, it looks like it's a little bit loose, but I think, yeah, hope it's like this. I don't see anything what I could do, so I push this down. Yeah, that sounded like normal. And so let's make sure that we don't overfill here. It's a little bit difficult. Hope you can see that. So I'm starting to fill up here. The problem is I don't see anything, and as soon as it starts to fill up here in the blue thing, it's already too much. So it's a little bit difficult to really make sure that we have the right amount. Yeah, I probably had it. Now it's probably already too much. When you really see it, it's already at about 10 ounces, which is definitely too much. So probably I will have to stop it manually down there. But I'll try that now. So wish me luck. So this is this button here. and so we are trying that now. Should be a little bit faster than the whole ground coffee brewing process. But I would say, yeah, it's definitely slower than with a normal Keurig machine. So with the normal Keurig machine, we have the water coming right away, at least inside. We can hear that there's something going on here. Yeah, it was cold, and now it seems to heat up, takes a while. So for me it looks like the whole thing, the whole water has to be boiling before it starts to pour the water into or through the capsule. So I'll take this a little bit to the side, and you can see a little bit better the brewing process. I mean, outside there's absolutely nothing to see, but we can hear that something going on. I think it's fully boiling. Yeah, now the coffee is pouring out. Yeah, there are a lot of drips here, but I mean, it's normal. It has nothing to do with this specific coffee maker, but yeah, just make sure that you don't have anything valuable around here. So yeah, that's supposed to be 10 ounce. I highly doubt that this was 10 ounce. So maybe there's still some water inside. Maybe there's more coming. Yeah, there's something going on here. But anyway, it takes a lot of time. Really a lot. Now, yeah, stop blinking. I think everything is ready. What we see, of course, as well, that the capsule has been exploded. Yeah, same way as we always have with the normal Keurig coffee maker, maybe even more. I think it's totally exploded inside. So yeah, I'm not going to blame this coffee maker here. It's a problem with the capsules, with the Walmart capsules. I don't know what's going on when you use the caffeine free. It's no problem. When you have the normal with the caffeine, it's usually exploding at the moment. They have problem there, or they seem to have a problem with their manufacturing process. So let's go a little bit higher again. Open this thing here. You can see there's yeah, a lot of ground coffee here. Put this thing a little bit to the side. Open that here. You can see also here inside, and also yeah, inside really full of ground coffee. But I mean, I'm not blaming them. At least I think it's a little bit easier to rinse and clean when we have this mess. Yeah, apart from that, I would say it has been working about same style. Yeah, apart from that, I would say it has been working, but it's not the same. It's not a replacement for a Keurig coffee maker. So if you want to have something super cheap and still working, yeah, you can use that as a big compromise, especially regarding the water. Water is really difficult. Yeah, really a lot of compromise here, and if money is the biggest argument here in your buy decision, yeah, maybe that's the thing to buy. I'm not saying it's not working. Yeah, looks about the same as with every Keurig machine. Probably coffee is the same. I cannot even taste that. That's full of the ground coffee, but I have no doubt that this will work. But yeah, it's not the same thing. It's not as convenient as with a fully automated Keurig coffee maker for maybe $120 or so. I mean, it's half price, but it's not even half of the convenience. So yeah, for me it really doesn't work. I even wouldn't probably use that in an office. I don't know. Yeah, every time to fill the thing up manually with the water and then guess how much you need. I mean, it looks like at least the 10 ounces filled up this size nicely. I don't know where this really is. This is definitely not 10 ounces, I think. But apart from that, I mean, it's working. It's super slow. Yeah, definitely. I mean, when you have normal Keurig machine, then coffee is finished maybe in 2 minutes or so. This was probably 5 minutes or so at least, so not comparable, but it works somehow. So if you're still interested into that, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description down below, so you can check it out, order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.